channel, everybody. Today is a slightly different video. In fact, I have done one very similar at Universal Studios. In fact, when I first bought my RayBan Meta sunglasses, it's one of my very first testing videos that I did on the Hulk Rollercoaster in Orlando Universal Studios. So that was what I did. And then a few weeks ago, a new subscriber asked me, would I be doing anything like that again? As luck would be it, I was going back a matter of weeks later. So I thought, yeah, VelociCoaster, we'll get that one out, and that's why you've seen the title, something slightly different. But yeah, and it was also, I was asked about some of my audio, how I get the Potenza Atom 2 to talk to the audio. It doesn't, it's not compatible like the DJIs, as you expect. They all, in live stream environment, they will take the audio off and match it across devices. Atom 2 doesn't do that with the DJIs, so I literally use my RayBan Meta sunglasses, and I literally put it on to record. You can double tap the sidebar on the arm here. It starts to record. So that's what I use. I use my RayBan Meta. These are the Wayfarer editions. There are some new ones that have just come out recently, and so this is what I've been using for a lot of my videos to use. So I then use my Filmora video editing software, strip out the audio, detach the audio, and I attach it to my videos and overlay it. And that's how this is done.